Welcome to the in front of me iPad Air 2022, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click to the sounds. Here we got the headphone audio. We can reduce loud sounds by click once here on the switcher, and now we got the 85 decibels. We can make it smaller to 75 or just to 100 decibels. Also, we got here the ringtone and alerts volume panel. Just to change the volume, we should slide up or down, to the left or to the right with our finger. Also, we got here the volume buttons control switcher. Just by click on this switcher will change the ringtone and alerts what they with the switcher, with our volume buttons. Here we can change the ringtone, text messages, new mail, sent mail, calendar, reminders, and airdrop sounds. Just by click here and switch one from this sounds. And here we can also enable or disable the keyboard click sound and the lock and unlock sound of our device. So that's it. Here we got all of the sound settings on our iPad Air 2022. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.